Hey guys, we're back again and live at 1:29 p.m. battling for Robert's AFA 85 Luke Ponch. It's a nice looking figure from where I'm sitting. There's 100 spots that I am going to carefully copy and take over to random to find our wiener. I'm not quite sure what happened there. I am going to clear this. Go back over and recopy that list. List of 100 spots. It showed up there as like 438. That's not correct. Copy them here and paste them here. There they are. 100. Good. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got an 11. We're super good to go. Good luck, guys, as I get to it. Oleg, round 1. Chris, round 2. Kenneth, round 3. Beetlejuice, round 4. Scott, 5. Mark, round 6. Beetlejuice again. Mark, round 8. Derek, round 9. Chris, round 10. And our winner is Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Congratulations, Beetlejuice. Here's the verification code to official results. QMPYLR. Beetlejuice, in at number 60, is our victor, which means I'm done at 1:30. At 1:30 p.m. on a Sunday afternoon. There it is. Beetlejuice number 60 is the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.